The hidden order of adjectives. Which sounds natural to you? A. A beautiful big old round red Italian wooden table. B. A red old beautiful wooden big Italian round table. If you chose A, you're right. But why? Both use the same adjectives, but only one sounds like natural English. There's a hidden rule native speakers follow without knowing it. You've learned vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation. But no one teaches you the secret order of adjectives. This is why your English can be grammatically perfect but still sound off to native speakers. Example: I bought a red big car. Wrong sounds very unnatural. I bought a big red car. Right sounds perfect. Today, you'll learn the invisible rule. What you'll master. Today, the complete adjective order hierarchy. Why this order exists, the semantics behind it. How to use 2, 3, 4 plus adjectives naturally. Common mistakes even advanced learners make. Memory tricks to remember the order. When you can break the rules. By the end, your adjective order will sound 100% native. The sacred order native speakers follow. Opinion, one, quality. Beautiful, ugly, nice, awful. Size: big, small, large, tiny, huge. Age: old, young, new, ancient, modern. Shape: round, square, flat, rectangular. Color: red, blue, green, black, white. Origin, nationality: American, Chinese, French, Victorian. Material: wooden, metal, plastic, cotton, silk. Purpose: sleeping bag, racing car, cooking pot. Then, noun. This is called the Royal Order of Adjectives. The logic behind the order. The order goes from subjective, objective opinion. Most subjective, your personal view. Size, age, shape. Less subjective, but still somewhat variable. Color equals objective, everyone agrees on it. Origin/material equals most objective, inherent properties. Purpose equals permanent function, defines what it is. Native speakers intuitively know. Personal opinions come first. Permanent facts come last. Starting. Simple, using 2 adjectives. Opinion before size. A beautiful big house. A big beautiful house. Sounds strange. Size before color. A big red car. A red big car. Sounds very wrong. Age before color. An old blue jacket. A blue old jacket. Sounds unnatural. Color before material. A red wooden door. A wooden red door. Sounds odd. Building up. Using 3 adjectives. Opinion plus size plus color. A beautiful big red dress. A red beautiful big dress. Size plus age. Plus noun. A small old house. An old small house. Size plus color. Plus material. A large blue plastic container. A plastic blue large container. Age plus color plus origin. An ancient green Chinese vase. A Chinese green ancient vase. Advanced. Using 4 plus adjectives. The full order in action. A lovely little old rectangular gray French silver picture frame. Let's break it down. Lovely, opinion. Little, size. Old, age. Rectangular, shape. Gray, color. French, origin. Silver, material. Picture, purpose, plus frame, noun. Try switching any 2, it sounds wrong. How native speakers actually use this. A charming old stone cottage. Opinion, age, material, noun. An elegant long black silk evening dress. Opinion, size, color, material, purpose, noun. A stylish, small new Japanese sports car. Opinion, size, age, origin, purpose, noun. An expensive new rectangular white American smartphone. Opinion, age, shape, color, origin, noun. Understanding opinion quality. These are subjective, based on personal feelings. Positive. Beautiful, lovely, gorgeous, wonderful, amazing, excellent, perfect, charming, delightful, elegant, fantastic, magnificent, splendid. Negative. Ugly, awful, terrible, horrible, disgusting, hideous, dreadful, neutral, strange, unusual, weird, odd, interesting. Key point. These always come first because they're most subjective. Examples. A beautiful small garden. Opinion, size. An interesting old book. Opinion, age. Understanding size. Size comes after opinion but before everything else. Large to small, huge, enormous, giant, big, large, medium, small, little, tiny, minuscule, width, height, depth. Tall, short, wide, narrow, thick, thin, deep, shallow. Examples: a lovely big house, opinion, size. A big old tree, size, age. A small red box, size, color. A red small box, wrong order. Understanding age. Age describes how old or new something is. Old to new, ancient, antique. Old, elderly, aged, middle-aged, mature, young, new, modern, brand new. Examples: a beautiful old painting, opinion, age. A small new apartment, size, age. An old red barn, age, color. A red old barn, wrong, sounds terrible. Note: young and new are not the same semantically. Understanding shape. Shape describes the physical form. Basic shapes: round, circular, square, rectangular, triangular, oval, spherical. Descriptive shapes: flat, curved, straight, pointed, sharp, blunt, hollow, solid. Examples: a large round table, size, shape. An old square box, age, shape. A small round red ball, size, shape, color. A round small red ball, wrong order. Understanding color. Color is objective. Everyone sees the same color. Basic colors: red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, pink, black, white, gray, brown. Compound, descriptive colors: dark blue, light green, bright red, pale yellow, navy blue, emerald green, blood red. Examples: a big red car, size, color. An old black jacket, age, color. A beautiful small round blue vase, opinion, size, shape, color. Understanding origin. Where something comes from. Geographical or historical. Geographical: American, British, Chinese, Japanese, French, Italian, German, Russian, African, European, Asian. Historical periods: Victorian, Edwardian, Georgian, medieval, Renaissance, Baroque, modern, contemporary. Examples: a beautiful old French painting, opinion, age, origin. A large red Chinese vase, size, color, origin. An expensive new Italian sports car, opinion, age, origin, purpose. Understanding material. What something is made of, very objective. Natural materials: wooden, leather, cotton, wool, silk, stone, brick, paper, cardboard. Synthetic materials: plastic, metal, steel, iron, glass, ceramic, nylon, polyester. Examples: a big wooden table, size, material. An old brick house, age, material. A beautiful small round blue glass vase, opinion, size, shape, color, material. Understanding purpose. What something is for, its function, often looks like a gerund or noun. Common purpose adjectives: sleeping, bag, racing, car, cooking, pot, wedding, dress, shopping, bag, running, shoes, reading, glasses, coffee, table, tennis, shoes. Examples: a comfortable sleeping bag, opinion, purpose. A new red racing car, age, color, purpose. Large brown shopping bags, size, color, purpose. Purpose always comes right before the noun. How to remember. OSASCOMP. O equals opinion, beautiful, ugly. S equals size, big, small. A equals age, old, new. S equals shape, round, square. C equals color, red, blue. O equals origin, French, Chinese. M equals material, wooden, metal. P equals purpose, sleeping, racing. Mnemonic. Only silly ants. Sell colorful old metal pots. Or create your own memorable sentence. When you can break the rules. Exceptions in special cases. 1. Emphasis. You can break the order for dramatic effect. It was a red big ball, emphasizing size. 2. Contrast. When comparing two things. I don't want the red big one. I want the blue small one. 3. With and. When adjectives are coordinated. A big and beautiful house. Both adjectives equal weight. 4. Subjective colors. When color is opinion-like. A gorgeous red dress. Red functions as part of the appeal. But these are rare. 99% of the time, follow the order. Common mistake. 1. Color before, size wrong versus right. The most common error. A red big car. A big red car. A blue small bag. A small blue bag. A green large tree. A large green tree. Why it's wrong. Size is less objective than color in the hierarchy. Color is a permanent property. Size is more variable, comparative. This mistake instantly marks you as a non-native speaker. Common mistake. 2. Material before color. Wrong versus right. Another frequent error. A wooden red door. A red wooden door. A leather black jacket. A black leather jacket. A plastic blue container. A blue plastic container. Why it's wrong. Material is more permanent than color. You can paint something, but its material is inherent. Remember, color. Material, noun. Common mistake. 3. Origin before, age. X wrong versus checkmark right. Less common but still wrong. X a French old wine checkmark. An old French wine. X a Chinese ancient vase. Checkmark. An ancient Chinese vase. X an Italian antique table. Checkmark. An antique. Italian table. Why it's wrong. Age is less permanent than origin. Origin never changes, but age increases. Remember, age arrow. Origin arrow noun. Cumulative adjectives versus coordinate adjectives. Important distinction. Cumulative adjectives. Use the order. These build on each other. Follow the OSASCOMP order. A beautiful big old house. No commas. Each adjective modifies everything after it. Coordinate adjectives. Equal weight. These are equal and interchangeable. Use commas or a dark and stormy night, a dark, stormy night, an intelligent, thoughtful person. Test. Can you put and between them or reverse them? If yes, coordinate. Use commas. If no, cumulative. Follow the order. No commas. Real-world application. Writing. Using this in your writing. Product descriptions. Introducing our elegant new Italian leather handbag. Opinion, age, origin, material, noun. Real estate. This charming large Victorian brick house. Opinion, size, age, origin, material, noun. Creative writing. She wore an exquisite long white silk wedding dress. Opinion, size, color, material, purpose, noun. Academic. Writing. The study examines several large old rural American communities. Size, age, type, origin, noun.
Real-world application. Speaking. Using this in conversation. Shopping. I'm looking for a nice small round wooden coffee table. Opinion, size, shape, material, purpose. Describing people. He's a tall young American businessman. Size, age, origin, purpose. Storytelling. There was this amazing huge old stone castle. Opinion, size, age, material, noun. Compliments. I love your beautiful new red dress. Opinion, age, color, noun.
Follow for more nuanced grammar tips that will help you sound truly natural in English.